Welcome to this tutorial on how to get started with the CardExchange Admin Center. This powerful tool serves as the central hub for managing all of your CardExchange Cloud Suite applications. From setting up business rules and workflows to personalizing the interface with your company's logo, the Admin Center offers a wide range of customization options to meet your organization's specific needs. To access the Admin Center, go to the Configuration section in the CardExchange controller. This will guide you to where all the configuration for the CardExchange Cloud Suite products takes place. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential features of the Admin Center, including managing your profile, configuring general settings, setting up email and SMS, and uploading your company logo. Before we dive into the details, it's important to mention that the Admin Center's dashboard provides a quick overview of your system's key metrics, such as user activity and cardholder statuses. For a detailed guide on how to use the dashboard, check out our other video titled How to Use the Dashboard in CardExchange Admin Center. You can find the link in the description below. Your profile settings can be accessed from the top right corner of the Admin Center interface. Here, you can manage your personal settings, including receiving notifications, changing themes, requesting help, and viewing your account information. All changes made in this section are specific to your user profile, ensuring that your experience with the Admin Center is tailored to your needs. In the General Settings section, you can view key information about your organization and access the API credentials like Client ID and Client Secret. These settings are crucial for integrating the CardExchange Cloud Suite with other systems, though note that these values cannot be edited directly. Communicating effectively within your organization is vital, and the Admin Center allows you to set up your email configuration to ensure all messages are sent from a recognizable address. To add or change email server information, click Edit and fill in the details provided by your email host provider, such as SMTP server details and from reply email addresses. This setup ensures that all automated emails sent by the system are consistent with your organization's branding. If your organization uses SMS notifications, the Admin Center supports integration with Twilio to send SMS messages based on predefined business rules. For example, you can automatically notify someone when their ID is ready for pickup. To set up SMS, click on Configure Twilio Account and enter the necessary information from your Twilio account. If you don't have a Twilio account yet, you can sign up directly from the Admin Center interface. Branding is important, and the Admin Center allows you to upload your company's logo to be displayed across all CardExchange Cloud Suite applications. To upload your logo, click on the Upload Logo button and select an image file in formats such as .png, JPEG, or .bmp. For logos with transparent backgrounds, it's recommended to use the PNG format for the best visual effect. The CardExchange Admin Center is designed to put control in your hands, allowing you to customize and manage your cloud applications effectively. From personalizing your interface to setting up essential communication tools, the Admin Center ensures your organization's needs are met with precision and ease. If you'd like to learn more about how to use specific features in the Admin Center, such as the dashboard, be sure to check out our other videos linked below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.